So here we go. It is really an example of what you can do with GES. So down here I've got a collection of media files. Some of them are videos, some of them are photos, and I'm going to use some of them in my timeline. So let's say I'm going to be using some boats to start with. So it appears that's where my timeline is going to be. So I'm going to be using a boat, and then let's say I'm going to we want a picture of a badger, and some, I think another one was fireworks. Okay, so I can move them around easily. So I want to put the firework first, or the badger first, or whatever. I can preview my timeline, so it's automatically playing back that video with automatically poses with the various clips I had in my timeline. This is not really interesting. Well, it is actually interesting because there, I mean, it's only 1,000. You need to remember it's only 1,000 lines of code for this application. Just having that, being able to play back automatically those clips is already great. But if I go back, I'm like, I actually want to make this clip shorter. So here, I'm going to be able to modify the endpoint and the duration. So that's video. So let's say I want to only use a small little passage. I change the endpoint. Then I go a bit further. Let's say I want to use, how much would that be? That would be 4 seconds of video. That looks good. So I'm done. I've trimmed that. If I go to previewing it, it should normally play 4 seconds of video, switch to the badger, and then the fireworks. Great! Anyway, I could carry on playing with it and go into the fireworks. And so the great thing is that it's using GStreamer in the background for everything. So if you've got hardware acceleration, for example, it will also automatically support it. For the application developer, it really makes the life easy. You really just have to care about editing notions. That's it. And if you want to play around with it, we've got some on stand